Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another Guess What's in the Box video from eBay, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I got another item I picked up from eBay. Also, update, so the bid for that Pioneer 8200 NEX stereo navigation system, I actually won. I won it at $520, and it came out to like $595 with tax and shipping and everything, which isn't bad because technically brand new, those stereos are well above $1,600 back in 2016, so that's a plus. Now, you know, if I wasn't going to win that one, there was another one that I was available to purchase outright, and I didn't have to bid on it, and I would have purchased that one, and it was only like $90 more. So, excuse me. So this is one of the items I purchased from eBay. Package is 7 inches long by 5.5 inches wide, and it is 3 inches in depth. What do you guys think it is? Came from Aurora, Colorado. I believe this might be a rear diff lock switch and the rear diff lock module, computer module that goes in the driver's side bottom footwell. I could be wrong, but that's my guess. What are your guys' guesses? What do you guys think it is? It is, everything that I've purchased is for the 2000 4Runner Limited, and I should be more specific, limited, because I got into a wreck in my SR5. Guy never got caught. Dude took off. You know, if I ever find out who he is, I will be suing him for the damages to my truck. Because of the 5 witnesses I have. But all these parts are to help and fix the Limited that I just purchased. It does need some work. It is a 2000 4Runner Limited that is from Detroit, Michigan. Spent 14 of its years in Michigan, and then it spent the rest of its life in Arizona, and I just picked it up. For a vehicle that spent 14 years in a salty state, it's not too bad. It actually doesn't have as much rust as I expected. I thought it was going to have a lot more rust. I am waiting for a power steering pump pulley to show up from Toyota. Got a new power steering pump, brand new reservoir. I actually put the reservoir on this pump. Reservoir's from Toyota. This pump is from Napa, but this actually looks like a genuine pump from Toyota. Painted the bracket that was rusty, stripped it to bare metal, painted it. I don't really care if it's got bubbles or anything like that. It's kind of got a rough, there you go, it's got a rough texture. I got as much, you know, right here it's nice and smooth, but the rest of it's kind of textured, and I'm not worried about it. Just trying to get the rust off the truck. I have my new rack here, new tie rod, outer tie rod ends. Here's the pulley I'm waiting for. So basically, I even have the brake lines, or not the brake lines, but the actual power steering lines. I do have a brand new radiator, or a brand new power steering reservoir fluid cap as well. This guy right here, brand new cap from Toyota. I have a brand new radiator cap as well from Toyota. A couple miscellaneous items like bolts and nuts and stuff for the steering rack that I got from Toyota. So the entire power steering system is getting replaced. I knew that it needed to be replaced when I purchased it. I told the dealership I purchased from I had no issue replacing them myself. But what do you guys think this is? Give you guys a little rundown. definitely did win the bid on the version of this stereo. So this is an 8200 NEX from Pioneer. Got another one coming, so that means this one can go back into my SR5. And got everything needed to make the stereo identical in the limited as what it was when I wired it into the SR5. All the cables are going to be identical, all the extra cables, the mirror link cables, you know, the backup camera, everything. I bought every Pioneer item I could find that I originally purchased for the Ford as well as my SR5. So basically I have 3 Pioneer AVIC 8200 NEX head units with all the exact same features. All the cables for each one of those features, like the mirror link cables and the iPhone linkage cables, the module box from Pioneer for the iPhone and iPod setup, as well as the Android Auto cables, and a bunch of other stuff. I'm bidding on a small remote because the stereo that I just bid on does not have the remote, but it's a CD R33 remote. They're not basically tied to any stereo. It's just an infrared remote that has to have the same signature for the infrared signature to run on the stereo. I offered a gentleman $15 for the remote, so might possibly be getting that. He wanted like $17 for it, a couple dollars less. Not a big deal. I don't think they're gonna have an issue with that. But what do you guys think it is? Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!